Good morning. Today we will discuss important polycrest remedy, Carbovich. Carbovich is commonly known as vegetable charcoal. Commonly it is known as vegetable charcoal. Kolsa. You know that kolsa, right? Vegetable charcoal. This vegetable charcoal, this Carbovich, is belonging from the carbon group. Carbon group have you can see several remedies in carbon group.
Yes.
Can you give me some examples? If you take graphite, is belonging to the
Graphite is-
carbon group.
Yes, ma'am.
If you take petroleum, creosote, belonging to the carbon group. So carbons are of two types basically. First type is pure carbon. Pure carbon, and the second type is carbonate of carbon. Are you getting this? Carbon remedies are grouped under two types: pure carbon remedies and carbonate of carbon remedies.
Yes, ma'am.
Pure carbon remedies, example is Carbovich. Carbovich comes under the pure carbon remedies.
Yes, ma'am.
So Carbovich, graphites, petroleum, creosote, these are very much familiar remedies. These remedies belonging to the pure carbon category. And carbonate of carbon also, you know the remedies: baryta carb, calcarea carb, natrum carb, magnesium carb. So these are the carbonate of carbons. So overall, if you see a picture of carbon remedies, there are some similarities in carbon remedies. So what kind of similarities you will observe in all these carbon remedies? There are some similarities in Carbovich, graphites, creosote, even you go baryta carb. So some common symptoms are there, each and every group. Acid group has some characteristic common symptoms, carbon group has some characteristic common symptom, and one of the remedy can, or or more than two remedies also can represent that group. For example, Ophidia group,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
has some common characteristic symptom. Lachesis, we can consider Lachesis as the main representative of the Ophidia group.
Yes, ma'am.
In Calcarea group, Calcarea carb we can consider as a main representative for Calcarea group. In carbon group, even Carbovich, graphites, these are polycrest remedies. So they can represent even baryta carb, Calcarea carb, carbonate of carbon. So there are certain similarities. What kind of certain similarities?
Lack of confidence.
Slowness, laxness, hardness. Fine. Slowness of each and everything. Slowness, it can be seen at the physical level also. Slowness can be seen at the mental level also. Slowness, that is everything is carbon remedies, they are never in a hurry. They all doing their things in a very slow, sluggish manner. Slowness of the body also. स्लोनेस ऑफ द बॉडी मीन्स व्हॉट, हळूहळू सगळं त्यांचं काम चाललेलं असतं, निवांतपणे, त्यांना अजिबात कुठली घाई नसते. Whereas you can see some remedies, they are very hurried remedies. They want to do everything in a very hurried and hasty manner. This is not the thing with Carbovich. This is not the thing with carbon. Slowness, it can be expressed at the mental level also. Sluggishness of the mind, slowness of the mind. Slow mind, sluggish mind will lead to what? Slow, sluggish mind. Dullness, forgetfulness.
Yes.
Fine. So many forgetfulness, it will lead to memory weakness, memory problems. So this is slowness. Laxness, laxness of the tissue, laxness of muscle. Lax tissues, what is happening in laxness of the tissue?
Tissue becomes
It becomes fatty.
Laxness will lead to relaxation of the tissues. Fine, slowness you have understood.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
laxness. Laxness will lead to relaxation of the tissue. If the tissues are relaxed, if the body tissues are relaxed, then what it will become? Stasis, very much normal. Laxness of the tissue, laxness, relaxation of the tissue will become stasis. So this stasis is very important theme of carbonate. Stasis. Each and every remedy, Polycrest remedy, has an important theme in it. So in last lecture we discussed phosphorus, diffusion. I told you diffusion. In carbovage, stasis is the thing. This stasis, it can be expressed at different level. If this stasis is at GIT, there could be some symptoms. GIT
Yes.
stasis, improper digestion, constipation.
Yes, ma'am.
It's very much normal. GIT stasis will lead to constipation, digestion problems, acidity, like this. Stasis of serious cardiovascular system stasis
Yes, ma'am.
will also give rise to some problem.
Sluggishness in the circulation.
Sluggishness in the circulation. So it can cause arteriosclerosis. It can cause thickening inside the blood vessels. Stasis, sluggish circulation. It can cause arteriosclerosis, sluggish circulation. This can be happen. Then, if arteriosclerosis is there or sluggish circulation is there, improper circulation. Improper circulation definitely hamper the brain tissue also.
Yes, ma'am.
It's very much normal. Improper circulation will hamper the brain tissue also. So brain tissue will not get enough circulation, and it can be lead to ischemia also.
Yes.
Ischemia results because of what?
Less
Improper blood
circulation.
circulation.
Yes, ma'am.
So there can be ischemia of the brain tissue also. Ischemia of the brain tissue means what? Directly it is affecting the memory.
Yes.
Directly it is affecting the brain functions. So simultaneously, if it is affecting the memory, if it is affecting the brain functions, it will result into dullness, forgetfulness, stupidity. So this will come because of the stasis. So this stasis can be expressed at a different level. So GIT level stasis, you will see some symptoms. Severe stasis, you will some different symptoms like this. So this is about the laxness giving rise to stasis. Then hardness. What is the reason behind the hardness? Excess fibrin tissue synthesis. This is the normal thing for hardness. Excess synthesis of the fibrin. So if there is excess synthesis of the fibrin, if there is hardness, this hardness you can observe at the skin level also. You will observe because of this hardness corns, callosities, keloids. Graphite is very important remedy for keloids. So because of this hardness you will observe this. There can be development of corn, there can be development of callosities, there can be development of keloids also. So this slowness, laxness, hardness, this form very important theme of carbovage. Fine. Stasis, particularly if we are focusing on the carbovage, stasis is the important thing. Then how this carbovage person, so we can say carbovage has main sphere of action first on the GIT. Improper digestion and disintegration, this is the main key symptoms of the carbovage. Improper digestion and disintegration. Improper digestion, there are various remedies for improper digestion. But what is the peculiar aspect of carbovage is food get putrefied before it get digested. This is key aspect of carbovage. Putridity, another important thing. After all, if stasis is there, again we are going back to stasis. Stasis is there, definitely the things cannot be get out of the body. So all the waste, all the toxin, if it will get accumulated inside the body, what will it result? Putridity, offensiveness. Putridity and offensiveness. So sphere of action of carbovages mainly on the GIT, improper digestion, and if there is putridity, offensiveness, if there is flatulence, carbovage is very important remedy and it can be given an acute complaint also.
if the problems of indigestions are there, flatulence are there, even flatulent colic you can see in Carboveg. Carboveg is colic-rest remedy. Mostly it is we are giving prescribing Carboveg for chronicity of the complaint. This is chronicity of the complaint is also one of the key point of Carboveg. But it cannot be थिंग लाईक क्रॉनिसिटीलाच फक्त यूज करायचे कार्बोवेज असं नाही आहे. ॲक्यूट कंप्लेंटमध्ये सुद्धा तुम्ही कार्बोवेज यूज करू शकता. सो वी कॅन से इट कॅन काम द डायजेस्टिव्ह सिस्टम, राईट. इट कॅन काम द डायजेस्टिव्ह सिस्टम. दिस इज फर्स्ट थिंग. The second thing, it can act on the blood vessels. So blood vessels, stagnation of the circulation inside the blood vessels. Carboveg is also a remedy for hemorrhage, but the important aspect is Carboveg is for passive hemorrhage. Hemorrhagic remedy, phosphorus is also hemorrhagic. Lachesis also comes in that category. But these are the remedies for profuse and active hemorrhages. Sudden hemorrhage, the color of the blood is also different. In Carboveg is the remedy for passive hemorrhage. It can affect mucous membrane. By action on the mucous membrane, it can result into ulceration. Ulcers are also important in Carboveg. Indolent ulcers. Indolent is what? Slow to heal. So this is the pathogenesis of Carboveg. It can act on mucous membrane, it can act on GIT, blood vessels, and it will lead to slowness, laxness and hardness. Now how the Carboveg person looks. Carboveg person typical face is there again, Hippocratic face. Hippocratic face, that if the person is suffering from a kind of disease or a sick looking face, that is Hippocratic face, puffy face, mottled cheeks. Mottled meaning what? No, you don't know mottled. Mottled is some red patches present on the cheeks. So mottled cheeks, puffy face, Hippocratic face. This is the typical thing you can see in Carboveg constitution, physical makeup of the Carboveg. Temperament. Carboveg is having peevish and irritable temperament. Peevish, irritable, these meanings are very much easy. No need to explain what is peevish and no need to explain what is irritable. So this is how the constitution of the Carboveg. Then another key aspect of Carboveg is Carboveg, already I have told you that it is suited to the chronicity of the complaint. Chronicity of the complaint, and the thing is, person who have never recovered from the infectious disease or who have never recovered from disease fully. So what this means, persons, Carboveg can be suited more to these kind of persons who have never fully recovered from the disease. For example, patient तुमच्याकडे आला आणि त्याच्या कंप्लेंट्स तुम्हाला सांगायला लागला. त्यांनी तुम्हाला सांगितलं की मला 6 महिन्यापूर्वी, 1 वर्षापूर्वी, 2 वर्षापूर्वी टायफॉइड झाला होता. टायफॉइड झाल्यानंतर सारखं मला काही ना काहीतरी चालूच आहे, मला कधीच पूर्णपणे बरं वाटलेलं नाही आहे. सो दिस फिट्स पर्सन हू हॅव नेव्हर फुल्ली रिकवर्ड फ्रॉम द डिसीज. दिस इज ऑल्सो गिविंग हिंट फॉर प्रिस्क्रायबिंग कार्बोवेज. की मला अशा मला दुसरा हाय ग्रेड फीवर आला होता, इन्फेक्शियस फीवर आलेला होता, 2 वर्षापूर्वी झालं होतं, पण त्याच्यानंतर मला कधी बरं नाही वाटलं, मला सतत काही ना काहीतरी कंप्लेंट्स चालूच झाल्या. त्या चालूच असतात, त्या असतातच असतात. सो दिस इज द मिनिंग, पर्सन हू हॅव नेव्हर रिकवर्ड फुल्ली फ्रॉम द डिसीज. दिस इज गिविंग मेन हिंट फॉर प्रिस्क्रायबिंग कार्बोवेज. आर यू गेटिंग दिस पॉइंट्स? फाईन. These are very key aspects of Carboveg. Digestive system, we are going to compare the digestive affections of Carboveg, Nux, Lyco, what are the similarities, what are the differences. So we are going to discuss it later on. So moving ahead, another slowness again. How a charcoal burns. Carboveg is what? Vegetable charcoal. How a charcoal burns, if we give fire to the charcoal, it will not burn like in a sudden explosive manner.
Slowly.
Simmering nature of burning is there. हळूहळू जळतो ना कोळसा, एकदम असं एक्सप्लोजन नाही होत कोळशाचं. इवन जरी बघितलं तरी असं चुलीमध्ये कोळसा वापरतात, त्याला असं आपण फुंकतो, आणि मग ते हळूहळू तो ब्राईट होतो आणि तो हळूहळू जळत राहतो. सो दिस इज व्हॉट एज लिंगरिंग नेचर. So in carboage also you will find lingering nature of the complaints. Lingering nature of the complaints तशाच राहतात. Slowly the complaints will last for the years, for months also, for the years also. टायफॉइड झाला होता तेव्हापासून मला पोटाचा काही ना काहीतरी प्रॉब्लेम असतो. मला कधी डायजेशनचा प्रॉब्लेम असतो, मला कधी कॉन्स्टिपेशन होतं, काही ना काहीतरी प्रॉब्लेम चालू असतो. लिंगरिंग नेचर ऑफ द कंप्लेंट्स. द कंप्लेंट्स विल नेव्हर गो, दॅट विल रिमेन ॲज इट इज. सो दिस इज लिंगरिंग नेचर ऑफ द कंप्लेंट इज ऑल्सो देअर इन कार्बोवेज. नेक्स्ट characteristic aspect for carbovage is a very important remedy for air hunger. Now how this air hunger comes? Air hunger again in carbovage, if there is lack of oxygen demands what? Air.
Air oxygen.
But that carbovage person wants air to be in a motion, not simply air but air to be in a motion. So air to be in a motion will give rise to what? Fanning, desire for fanning. So desire for fanning, desire for hard fanning. So this is also the key aspect of the carbovage. Most of the carbons, and so the carbovage also, most of the carbons are chili. Yes, another point is why the carbovage needs fanning. आपल्याला असं पटकन वाटेल की नाही फॅनिंग लागतं कार्बोवेजला म्हणजे तो त्याचं थर्मल हॉट असेल म्हणून त्याला फॅनिंग लागतं. असं नाही आहे. कार्बोवेजचं थर्मल चिली आहे. मोस्ट ऑफ द कार्बन्स आर चिली, बट इफ द थर्मली चिली स्टिल दे वॉन्ट द फॅनिंग. वाय? बिकॉज the system there will be lack of oxygenation, because sluggishness of the circulation. Sluggish circulation will give less oxygen, and that because of that less oxygen there is craving for the air, not for the simple air but the air to be in a motion, and it will gives rise to desire for fanning. So this is also the important. फॅनिंग लागतं कारण ते हॉट आहेत थर्मली म्हणून त्यांना फॅनिंग नाही लागत. बिकॉज देर इज लॅक ऑफ ऑक्सिजन, लेस ऑक्सिजन, that's why they want air to be in a motion. This will give rise to this symptom, desire for. So this is important. So most carbons are chili. Carbovage is also chili. It is predominantly a right-sided remedy. Thirsty. This is the thing. Thirstfulness. These are also important things in carbovage. Now timidity. Timidity is also one of the important aspect. Timidity means what? You know very well. Timidity is lack of confidence. This is the timidity. Lack of confidence. And जर तुम्ही रुब्रिक बघितलं, आता इथे रुब्रिक पण कसं बघायचं मॅट्रॅमॅटिकामध्ये ते